Hello, welcome to my Web3 and blockchain development series. In the previous video, we learned how we can create contract and interact with those. Today, in this video, we are going to create and deploy our ERC-20 token and interact with Node. We have done a similar exercise in our previous video as well, but in this we are learning how we can create our own token and make it the part of our wallet or for our Ethereum. We will write an ERC-20 token using Open Zeppelin. We will deploy this with Remix for our Sepolia network and for our MetaMask. We will see how we can import this token into our MetaMask wallet, and we will interact this via a Ethers V6. We will see its total supply. We will also check the balance and how we can transfer it using the node. We will set the total supply initially to 1000 in our exercise. You can set a default supply based on your token need. Let's start the exercise and see how we can create our own tokens for blockchain. Go to Remix platform and create a new file. Name it as you can give any name. I'm going to give it shtoken.sol. I will paste I will paste a default template of the token here. Same, it is using the Solidity version 0.8.24. It is importing some libraries are predefined. Solidity libraries are packages, that is ERC-20 and enable.sol. This is basically the SH token, that the name I have given to my token. It is ERC-20 token and it is enable. I just rename it. The abbreviation I can use it as SHT, and I can set the initial supply from here. If I see the whole structure of the contract, it is just the name. It has some constant initial supply. It has a constructor that is basically initializing ERC-20 token, and I have some, and I am calling the mint function for owner only facet. Our token is ready. We will just deploy this. Before deploying, compile this. Go to your deploy and run transaction. Select the injected provider MetaMask. Select the account and click on deploy. It will ask for some confirmation from our MetaMask platform. Let's confirm this. Our token SHT has been deployed. We can see this on Etherscan. Just click on this. This is our newly created token. I will show you how we can import this token into our wallet. Just copy the address of this. Go to your MetaMask platform. Click on token. So in the token section, click on the three dots that you see on the right side. You will see there is an import token option available. Click on this import token. Now you need to select a network. I will select Sepolia. Our token contact address, just that we just copy the address from our deployed window. So paste it here. You can see the token symbol is SHT, and click next and import. So you can see our SHT token has been imported with 1000 initial supply has been imported successfully in our wallet. Now create a project as we have done in our previous tutorial. So I have created a Web3 project. In this we have .env file that will store our private and secure information. So that is coming from our previous. I have just renamed the third token contract address to token address. So this token address would become what we have just deployed in our remix. So I have pasted it over here. This is our private or secure information. We need application binary interface that we can bring from our deployed window. go to Remix and Solidity compiler, and the bottom you will see compilation detail, and find the ABI. Just copy this. I am going to export constant API like this, or we can give it a name like ERC underscore API. And I have created two more JavaScript MJS files, that is read.mjs and transfer.mjs. Read will be just to read the values of our newly created token. It is same provider is our RPC provider, JSON RPC provider from Ether6. We have wallet address from our private key, and the token from our token address. The main function is just getting the information of supply in decimal, and it has balance as well. So this main function is bringing the total initial supply in decimal as well as balance of our token. Let's run this read node read.mjs. Token name is SHT. Its decimal point has 18, which means it will be considered till 18 decimal points. Total supply is 1000 SHT and total balance is 1000 SHT, which means my token has 1000 of initial supply. Now let's try to transfer this to our other wallet from this token, or let's try to transfer this value to our wallet. So I have a transfer.mjs. What it does, it will just bring the provider wallet and token information. It will read the recipient address in our terminal or command prompt, and the amount that we have to transfer in human readable form. We will just give our decimal digit, and then it will parse the value to hexa format, and then it will just call the transfer function to transfer the values, the balance from our token to our wallet. Let's try this. Node transfer.mjs. Now we have to give the recipient address. I am going to use my wallet address from private. I'm going to use the wallet address. So my wallet address is this one. I will just copy this and paste it here. The second argument would be the decimal values that I want to transfer, are the number of coins, that I'm going to transfer to my wallet. I select 900. I press enter. So it says 900 has been transferred to my wallet. I will show you how it has updated my current Sepolia balance as well.